Japan's Nighthawk Search and Rescue Service are a drone team using infrared technology to perform missions at night. The Nighthawk Search and Rescue Team has signed an agreement with Nishikawa Town, Yamagata Prefecture agreement to begin nighttime, drone-enabled search and rescue services for the town from May through November. This article published in collaboration with JUIDA, the Japan UAS Industrial Development Association. The team demonstrated their solution to town managers and first responders in April. The Nighthawks use drone equipped with infrared photography equipment to assist in search and rescue. Nishikawa Town spreads out at the foot of Mt. Gassan, one of the 100 famous mountains in Japan. Mt. Gassan is covered in forest and is a major tourist attraction because of its magnificent scenery and as a source of rare mountain vegetables and mushrooms. From spring to autumn, both locals and tourists flock to the mountain for foraging, hiking, and other alpine sports. During Japan's storm season, however, or during the winter when the mountain experiences heavy snow, some climbers do get stranded. We want to create an environment where as many townspeople and tourists as possible can enjoy with peace of mind by preparing for accidents and injuries before the typhoon season, said city officials. The Nighthawk Search and Rescue Team will provide a 24-hour service desk to respond to emergency requests by dispatching a fully equipped drone and pilot to coordinate with first responders. The drone pilot will support first responders with infrared imaging and by providing drone lighting to help with rescue efforts. The Nighthawks will increase the number of lives that can be saved by one person. The purpose is to ensure the safety of people, says the company director. Read more commercial drone news on dronelife.com.